I had dreamed about owning a vineyard and winery since I attended the University of California at Davis back in the early 70s. And it took me 40 years to make it happen, but it happened. Our wine philosophy is really to make exceptional wine at a great value. And that's what River Road is all about.
People come to wine from all different backgrounds and different paths. And mine in particular, it started with childhood in the Midwest. I learned a lot about the natural environment. Russian River Valley, it's world-renowned, but where we are in the Green Valley, which is the only official sub-appellation of the Russian River Valley, we have all the benefits of the fog that comes in from the nearby Pacific Ocean to allow us to grow these cool climate grapes. The added advantage we have in the Green Valley is that we have these gold ridge soils. It's well drained, but fairly low in nutrients. So that allows us to provide just a little bit of stress to the vines to allow them to focus on the primary goal for us, which is producing really, really beautiful grapes. We have 5 different Chardonnays that we produce, and each of those Chardonnays has a different aesthetic. You know, the flavors, the textures, aromatics. And so when you look at each of our wines, they all have a particular goal of flavor and texture that I'm after, and people can understand Chardonnay by tasting through the whole range. We're really, really excited to see how people respond to them.